We are in Hawaii. So we're checking into our unit. Gonna show you around what you can get in Hawaii for $2,400 a month.
Hard working every day. I'm stressed out. 20%.
We are in Hawaii. We just touched down, unfortunately. Waiting a little while. Been sitting here for about 15 minutes. The sheriff are checking out something, hopefully nothing too serious, and then we'll be getting off on our way to our Airbnb.
Wish we could fly away. You and I go to our favorite place. Oh yeah.
Finally got out of that mess in the airplane. We are now in Honolulu Airport. Gonna get squared away with the COVID procedures. Then to begin our adventure. To begin our first day here in Hawaii.
Make special memories together. I'll be your company now and forever.
And we've officially made it. We are outside of our to-be Airbnb for our month-long trip here in Hawaii. We're gonna get met by someone at the check-in counter, get taken to our place, and to show you around where we're gonna be staying in Oahu in Hawaii. So we are at the place we're staying, which is the Island Colony. It's a bit of a hotel, but they also do Airbnbs. So we're checking into our unit, gonna show you around what you can get in Hawaii, in Oahu, Waikiki, Honolulu area for $2,400 a month. Not the cheapest place I've ever stayed in, but this is Hawaii prices. Hello, hello.
Hi.
Welcome to Studio Wanderlust, everybody. $2,400 is gonna get you a studio apartment sort of thing, or hotel room, but a little bit between the two, honestly. Here in the Waikiki area, which is the cheapest we could find with some sort of quality of life and things to offer. Let me show you what things there are to offer here. So here we have our little kitchen area, some plates, bowls, cups, everything, and a little bit of a small stovetop. There's only 2 burners, so you can't make any huge Thanksgiving feast here, but you can definitely make the minimalist sort of meal to save on money and also not eat out every 5 seconds of the day. Really nice to have if you're staying here for a month like we are. And then of course you're gonna have a bathroom in the place you're staying at. And I'm a little bit of a taller person, so maybe the relative size is deceiving. Toilet and just a shower. Maybe you can't take a massive bath in here, but I could definitely fit in just me. Maybe me and Vanessa won't be able to share. Who knows? And then of course, you're gonna have a fridge and a freezer with a microwave, perfect for storing food, to-go food, food preparation, whatever may have you. And then immediately afterwards, you run into the bedroom / living room. Again, this is a studio, guys. We have, looks like a nice bit of a double bed. So Vanessa and I can share because we don't hate each other yet. So we don't mind. It's a little bit of elbows rubbing on each other, but queen's probably ideal for 2 people, but you can make a double work. A nice modest sized TV, a little stand, router, and then the little mini sofa with coffee table. Got lots of lighting, got these curtains which you can open as much as you want to see the beautiful views outside, which I'm going to show you in just 1 second. This is what's going to make this place maybe slightly worth the $2,400. We'll see. Because we were going out to our little balcony, let's take a look.
You and me go to our favorite place. Feeling the sun on my face in Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii.
So as you can see, the balcony outside is totally stunning. And of course, you can also see the pool straight down below, which we'll show you here in just a second, including a nice, beautiful swimming area and a hot tub and blah, 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 blah. Don't want to spoil it too much. We're going to show you right now. So I hope you can hear me, but this is the 6th floor of our Airbnb. Gorgeous views of this little river canal breaking up Waikiki and the gorgeous green mountains in the background leading up to the pool. Now let's go see it from the pool itself.
I need a summer breeze, some fresh air to put my mind at ease.
Samosas and Indian food on the beach. Beautiful views of Diamond Crater in the ocean. Good vibes.
Come with me, we're taking away. Yeah, we're taking away. We'll never come down.
All right, so another thing we did right by Waikiki Beach is we went to this place called Banan, where they make banana soft serve, which is really cool because bananas grow right here on the island with a bunch of fresh fruit. Perfect, refreshing little dessert. Let's try it out.
We're going away. Yeah, we're going away. You and me. Feeling the sun on my face in Hawaii.
So that concludes our first day in Oahu, Hawaii, including, of course, our Airbnb and apartment tour, which was $2,400 for the entire month. We did so many amazing things in our first month in Hawaii, so check out our adventures with beaches, hikes, and more coming to you very soon. Thanks for watching, everybody. Peace.